welcome back to the channel, and today we're on a new project. And apologize a little bit for the lighting here, but it's just a bright day. Haven't had one of those in a long time, so I'm not going to complain. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to take this this was an area that had an old tennis court in it, and the tennis court was ripped out, and anyway, left us with about 10,000 square feet to get ready for seating. Now this particular job poses a particular set of problems. One is we can't get water to it, so we've got to rely on Mother Nature. Number two, we're doing it in the spring, which is typically not the best time. So that's two things. And so the other thing is that I'm going to use straw on this, which I don't really like to do, but we need something so that when we time it with the rains, and hopefully we can do that, we'll be able to keep some of the moisture. So you'll want to stick around on this project to see how we do. And quite frankly, we're just going to do everything we can to ensure that we get a stand of grass. We realize we may have to come back in the fall and overseed again, but we just don't want a big mud patch for the whole summer. So anyway, so I hope you'll stick around and see our process and our progress on this project. And I'm going to set up a little time lapse for this. My first time through, I'm just going to try to work the dirt a little bit. It seems to be working really good with the landscape rake. So anyway, that's what we're going to try first, is the landscape rake. folks, I think it's going to wrap it up for today. You can see behind me, got it pretty smooth. Was able just to use the landscape rake, and so did not have to bring the tiller out and do that. So that was nice. Hit the dirt just the perfect consistency. Just a little damp, but not much, not muddy or anything like that. But it worked really well. So I was able to take the rake and just sort of kept going over it and over it. Did some figure eights back and forth, turning that blade and getting an angle on it at the very end, and then just sort of windrowing all of the rocks and sticks. So anyway, I'm gonna go up here and take the camera and pan for you, kind of give you a look at it. Got a little bit of touch-up work to do around some of those trees, but we'll definitely be ready for seed by this weekend. So accomplished the goal, took advantage of this beautiful, I think probably 70-degree day here in 2nd of March, my wife's birthday, by the way. And so anyway, real happy with the way this is working out. So thanks for sticking around, and we'll be back tomorrow to finish up. So I'm going to give you a few more views. Hey, thanks for joining in, and remember to like, subscribe, comment, and above all, have a blessed day. See you in the next video.